Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make gravy guitar, specifically by learning Paul Kelly's song. We'll begin with the fundamental chords. Start with an E major using the open 6th string, 2nd fret on the 5th and 4th, and 1st fret on the 3rd string. This forms your bass. Then, we'll explore variations, sliding shapes up the fretboard. Focus on clean notes and getting comfortable with these initial positions. Now let's tackle the strumming pattern, which remains consistent throughout the song. It's a rhythm of down, 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 up, down, down, up, down, up. Apply this pattern to each chord you play. Practice this slowly at first, ensuring each strum is clear and on time. Once you're comfortable, gradually increase your speed for a smooth, flowing sound. For the verse, the chord progression is straightforward. Begin with your E major chord. Then, transition to an F-sharp minor variation, which involves specific fret positions on the A, D, and G strings. Slide this F-sharp minor shape up 2 frets to create a G-sharp minor. The sequence for the verse is E, F-sharp minor, G-sharp minor, and then back to F-sharp minor. The chorus introduces a few new chords, including an accord, G-sharp minor, and a B-chord variation. The strumming pattern remains the same, so focus on smooth chord changes. Once you've practiced each section, try playing through the entire song from verse to chorus to build your confidence and rhythm. Remember to check the description below for a link to the Owala water bottle and other great deals. Keep practicing, and you'll be playing How to Make Gravy in no time.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.